In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Proton VPN on a PC. If you no longer need the app or you want to reinstall it later for troubleshooting, the easiest and most recommended way to remove it is directly through Windows settings. This method is simple, built into Windows, and usually works smoothly without needing any extra tools. To begin, open the Start menu by clicking the Windows icon on your taskbar. Once the Start menu opens, click on Settings. This is the area where Windows lets you manage system options, installed apps, and device preferences. If you don't immediately see it, look for the gear-shaped icon, since that's the Settings button. After the Settings window opens, go to Apps. In this section, Windows shows you the programs currently installed on your computer. Depending on your version of Windows, you may see something called Installed Apps, or it may be labeled Apps and Features. Either option takes you to the same general place, which is the list of installed software. Now, find Proton VPN in the list. You can scroll through the installed apps manually or use the search bar to make things faster. Typing the app name is usually the quickest option, especially if you have many programs installed on your PC. Once you locate Proton VPN, click on it to reveal the available options. Next, click Uninstall. Windows will usually ask you to confirm this action, so when the second uninstall prompt appears, click Uninstall again. This confirmation step is there to make sure you don't remove an app by accident. At this point, the uninstall process will begin. Give it a moment to finish, and avoid closing the settings window until the process is complete. Depending on your computer, this may only take a few seconds or a little longer. If Windows asks for permission through a system prompt, just approve it so the removal can continue. Once the process is done, Proton VPN should no longer appear in your installed apps list. That's a good sign that the uninstall was successful. If you want to be extra sure, you can search for Proton VPN again in the installed apps section and confirm that it's gone. And that's it. That's how to uninstall Proton VPN on a Windows PC using settings, which is the recommended method because it's quick, clean, and easy for most users to follow.